Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel. And, in these days where we have a lot of things going on with privacy, security of our data, we always wonder what the big companies have on us and know about us. Google, for example, if you search Google and you have a Gmail account, you can see all the data that Google has saved on you. Not just on search, but every product or service that you use. You got a smart speaker, a Google Home. Well, you'll even hear your voice because you'll hear all the requests, the things you asked Google Home for the last few months. It's all in your account. If you want to see your data, you can even clear the data. You can even set a time to clear data every, whatever time you want. All you have to do is go into your Google page. So when you're logged in, on the upper right, you have a little avatar that gives your email and what you are actually using. Go here and click Manage Your Account. And here, you will have in that account the information. Now here it's in French. I don't know if I could switch easily to English. So when you're here, you will have information. On the left side, one is your personal data that you can look at. And your personal data gives you several options, including the all the web activity in the applications or the apps that you use. And you can click here, and here it's going to give you all the information about the activity on the web. You have, of course, the automatic suppress process if you want, or you can look at your activity and see what you've searched for, what apps are using the computer, and what you actually looked at. So you see here all the little details that it actually is giving me an activity. Sorry for it being in French. But all the data is in here. You can check out all the activity, and on the left side you have other Google activities and all of that available. So it's available from your own Google account. Simply go to your account. So I'm just going to go back to the main page here and make sure. So here I'm in English. Yes. So I'm going to go back here, manage your Google account. And you will see that you will have, all the information and even their suggestions for your privacy settings. You have the history of your YouTube searches, YouTube activity, and all of that information on this page. It's very, very nice, and you'll see what Google knows about you. It's all in there. Every search that you did, everything that you want to look at, every app that you use that actually has Google or is linked to an account, your Gmail account, you'll have the activity there. You will have the activity of your Google Home if you have a smart speaker and so on. That's a very nice thing to look at because you'll know a lot about what you can do. And you can, of course, delete all the information if you wish from there. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.